Girl, you don't know how I feel.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing some hair for you guys. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so this is this is gonna be very fresh to me. And the company that sent me the hair goes by the name Dsoar hair. That's what the packaging looks like. It has the name on there and it says Dsoar hair in black and pink. I have not touched this hair before and it is very soft and very thick. The wefts look well constructed. Let me zoom in for you guys. Yeah, the wefts look very well constructed. Do you guys like my nails? Chrome and regular milk white. But yeah, the wefts are very well constructed and put together. This hair has a soapy smell. It's not like, oh, a bad smell, because I had to like really smell into it, like take my time, and after 3 seconds it kicked in. So I'll definitely wash it, and I know that it is probably some chemical they use to preserve their hair. So you have to smell, like really get into the hair to see if it has like a smell, and it smells soapy. It doesn't smell like a bad soap. It smells like a soap that I've probably used before when I used to live in Jamaica. I can't get my hands on what soap it was, but it has a soapy smell. It's not too soapy. The hair does have gold bands, and you guys know the urban legend about gold bands, black bands, purple bands, silver bands, metallic bands, and regular normal colored bands. So I don't have to really talk much about that, but we'll see how this hair keeps a curl. We'll see how it is once I put a conditioner in it. We'll just see, girl, we'll see. But I have nothing but high hopes for this hair. It is 16 inches, so 16 inches fall about hair on me in body wave, because it will be curled up, of course. And it's thick, so I really feel like thick and lightweight, so I really feel like it'll give very nice curls. I did get 3 bundles and a frontal, so I'll take the rest out the packaging, which I have not done as yet. So this is my first time feeling it, and the hair is soft. I just took this one off and the other one fell. Oh wait, I lied, it's a 20 in. So I got 16, 18, and 20. Oh my god. Yes, yes to the layers, yes. It's gonna be such good layers in this hair, I can already tell. So by weft size, you'll be able to see that this one is the 20, this one is the 18, and this one is the 16, because the longer the hair bundle, the bigger the weft. There's something green on this, but okay, it was just a piece of like dust. So this is what all the hair looks like. 16, 18, 20. It feels very nice. They all have the same soapy smell once you really get into it, but nonetheless they feel very nice. I've gotten 1 shed hair so far. Oh, okay, good. It's not bad. It's some good quality hair. I can feel it and know, yes, this is actually some nice hair. And I just hope that this gives a nice long-lasting install. And yeah, that's that for the bundles. Let me rest them on the ground. Ground is clean, by the way. This is what the frontal came in, the hairnet. Oh girl, this frontal, you guys can't even see it, but up close and personal, it's so pre-plucked. It's so fusion looking. It looks thick in the front, but I'm pretty sure once I get to bleaching it, this frontal looks so nice. you guys definitely can't see it, and it definitely looks like a Barbie hairline. But girl, I don't know if I can show you guys enough, but this is like a thin, nice looking Barbie hairline frontal. And I know that once I get to plucking, it'll be so easy for me to pluck. I love this frontal already. I can't wait to work with this hair. Oh my god, I may do a side part, or probably a half up, half down, or middle part, who knows, but we'll see. And I'm trying to do colors this month, so you guys will see like a copper, a burgundy. Hopefully I'll do this hair probably in burgundy, and it'll look so nice in curls. I know the curls are going to be so nice, loose, big, and gorgeous. So I can't wait to do that with this hair. So thank you guys, Dsoar Hair, for sponsoring this video and for sending me some hair that I know that I'll make into something so gorgeous. Thank you also to the viewers for watching. If you're new here, my name is Danielle Naomi. Nice to meet you. And don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned to what color I'm gonna do this hair. If you have any other color recommendations, feel free to send it to my DMs on Instagram or Snapchat, and which I will leave on the screen. And thank you again so much for watching. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. The links to Dsoar Hair will be below. So for any of you who would like to purchase, after seeing this unboxing, it feels very good, and it feels like the curls will be gorgeous as well. So stay tuned for the final look, and leave below any colors that you'd like to see me do on dark hair. Yeah. Bye loves.